Are your readers getting lost in your text or leaving your page before they even get to the good stuff? It's not your fault. In today's fast-paced, scroll-heavy world, grabbing attention is harder than ever. But here's the kicker. Did you know that simply improving the readability of your content can boost your engagement and even lead to a 20% jump in conversions? That's the power of clear, simple writing. The best part? You don't need to spend hours dissecting every line or stressing over the perfect wording. With the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can supercharge your content in no time and make it resonate with your audience. In this video, we were spilling all the secrets on how readability can transform your content strategy and why it is the ultimate key to better SEO, higher engagement, and more conversions. Are you ready to unlock the potential of your writing? Let's dive in. But what exactly is readability and why should it be central to your content strategy? Readability is how easily someone can understand and enjoy your written text. Think of it as the secret sauce that makes information deliciously easy for the brain to process. When your content flows smoothly and keeps readers hooked, that's powerful readability in action. For reaching a general audience, aim for a readability score around 60 to ensure everyone can follow along. So why does readability matter so much for your SEO and engagement metrics? Simple. Clear, easy to digest content keeps visitors on your page longer, sending positive signals to Google. This increased engagement directly boosts your rankings and search results. Readable, well-structured content naturally guides readers toward taking your desired action. The clearer your message, the higher your conversion rates will climb. When you transform complex ideas into simple concepts, you instantly enhance your credibility. Readers trust experts who can explain difficult topics in accessible ways. Professional content creators use several proven formulas to measure readability. The Flesch-Kincaid Reading Ease scores content from 0 to 100, with higher scores indicating better readability. For general content, shoot for 70-80, while technical writing typically ranges from 30 to 50. The Flesch-Kincaid grade level estimates the U.S. school grade needed to understand your text. The SMOG Index reveals how many years of education someone needs to grasp your content on first reading. Different audiences have unique readability needs based on their expertise and interests. Academic readers expect formal tone and comprehensive analysis of complex topics. Business professionals crave concise, actionable insights without unnecessary fluff. Technical audiences like developers can handle specialized language but still appreciate clarity. The key is identifying your specific audience before writing a single word. For a general audience, aim higher on readability scales for maximum accessibility. Technical readers may prefer more depth, even if it scores lower on traditional readability metrics. Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your writing style to enhance readability. Let's explore the top factors that make content more readable and engaging. First, use short sentences to dramatically improve comprehension. Try to keep sentences within 15 to 20 words. Longer sentences make content feel complex and exhausting. Breaking down complex thoughts into smaller chunks significantly boosts readability scores. Always use active voice to keep your message clear, direct, and impactful. Vary your sentence length to create natural rhythm and avoid monotony. Choose familiar words over jargon whenever possible to keep readers comfortable. Structure and organization are equally critical for maintaining engagement. Break up text into small, digestible paragraphs of no more than 4 sentences. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to guide readers through your content journey. Bold text for key points helps readers quickly identify the most essential information. Always include plenty of white space so your content can breathe and feel inviting. Applying these principles manually can be incredibly time-consuming. That's where AI tools shine. AI goes beyond traditional editing by customizing content for specific audience needs. It analyzes tone, structure, and complexity to optimize for clarity and engagement. AI tools quickly identify areas for improvement that might slip through during manual editing. They provide consistent quality improvements with greater efficiency than human editors alone. You'll save both time and money compared to hiring specialized readability consultants. Let's talk about using ChatGPT specifically to transform your content's readability. Start by uploading manageable sections of your content rather than overwhelming the AI with your entire piece. Provide clear guidance about your target audience, desired tone, and theme up front. This context helps ChatGPT make adjustments tailored perfectly to your reader's specific needs. I've developed a comprehensive prompt that makes improving readability almost effortless. This powerful prompt can transform ordinary content into engaging, reader-friendly material in seconds. Want instant access to this game-changing, well-crafted prompt and a treasure trove of deep insights? Head over to doitwithai.tools right now, where I'm sharing this and a whole arsenal of AI tools to help you completely revolutionize your content. For the best results with AI tools, master the art of strategic prompt engineering. Give AI clear, detailed instructions that focus on specific aspects of readability. Specify areas like tone adjustment, clarity improvements, or sentence length reduction. Don't hesitate to experiment with your prompts. Modify and test until you get optimal results. While AI provides an excellent foundation, human creativity takes content to the next level. Review AI-generated content and refine it to match your unique voice and brand perspective. Add personal touches like relatable stories or emphasis on points that resonate with your audience. The most effective approach combines AI assistance with human insight and creativity. Use AI to handle structure and simplification while you focus on connection and storytelling. Understanding readability is only half the battle. Measuring and improving it effectively is the real challenge. In our next video, we'll explore essential readability checker tools that will elevate your content. If you're serious about creating content that truly resonates, you won't want to miss our next video. We'll show you how to combine AI prompts with these invaluable tools to transform your writing completely. When paired with ChatGPT's capabilities, readability tools give your content an unbeatable advantage. The result? Writing that not only reads easier, but genuinely connects with your audience on a deeper level. Start implementing these readability techniques today and watch your engagement metrics soar. If you found this helpful, visit Do It With I. Tools for more strategies on leveraging AI for content marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical AI tips to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more powerful content strategies.